What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Z through Charlie, and before I start my introduction, this little spot I'm at took me about 15 to 20 minutes to get to, because to choose, because the original spot I was gonna go to is my favorite spot, and I was taken by 4 or 5 cars and those people there, loud wind factor. You know what? I was like, alright, scratch that. Let me find another spot, and I chose this spot. Has a nice little view, nice little empty parking lot. But anyways, I found a spot for you guys. So, this is an introduction video. You guys already know. My name is Charlie, aka Z through Charlie. And you guys can see cars behind me. It's a Nissan 2010 370Z Sports. So, this is my channel. I'm gonna be talking about me, my car, and other cars, because I'm gonna be doing some car reviews for you guys, car mods review, track day, dyno day, Mexico day, and I'm gonna have all type of days for you guys. But at the moment, this is my first video. I'm gonna be posting at least one video a week. And what else I can say? My car behind me, it's my favorite car. Not my all-time favorite dream car, but it's my favorite car. I had it since 6 to 7 years. And what else I can say? Funny story, this car was my first pick. I had there was the other car, and it was what year was it? I think it was a 2010 2011 Subaru STI hatchback. That was the car I wanted at the moment. But when I was doing numbers and looking at that car, I was like, that car is too much money. So I found this Z, and I was like, oh, for that price, it's doable. And you know, since day one, I have not regretted getting this car. But this car is enjoyable. It's a good car, reliable. What do you guys want to see on this channel? You guys can leave comments in the bottom letting me know what you guys wanted on this channel, so I could do for you guys. Hopefully on this journey I can make it better quality videos, better editing, and I just want to get better for you guys. And I want to start YouTubing. My motivation to start YouTubing is, it's funny because I watch a lot of YouTube when I get a chance. I watch what's his name, Adam LZ, TJ Hunt, Mighty Car Mods, and you know, and some local YouTubers around my area. You got Danny Z and Nord TM. But those guys, they used to do YouTube vlogging, and it looks fun. And I was like, you know what, guys, let me try it out. I'm going to do it for you guys. But my very first video is not going to be that crazy exciting or anything. Just about me talking to you guys about my introduction. You guys can follow me on IG. I post a lot on IG when I can, and it's Z34_Charlie. That's my IG. You guys can follow me there. I'm pretty active there. You guys can message me there anytime or whatever. I mean, about anything. And shout out to my girlfriend. She got me this GoPro Hero Black 7. Love it. And she also, other shout out back to her again, she motivates me to do this YouTube, because I've been talking about it for a year and I didn't do anything. So I'm starting right now, day one, YouTube. Here we go. And you know what, guys, and I might end it right here for you guys. And so you guys can see what, all right, back. I'm going to end it right here for you guys, because it was just an introduction video. I just want to talk to you guys, let you guys know. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video in a few seconds. It's just nothing too crazy on this first video. Just a small introduction about me and my car, and it's nothing. I just want you guys to know about my channel, and please share, spread the word. Z through Charlie is coming. And you know, it's gonna be a hard journey, but it's gonna be something new for me. I always want to try something new, and this is new for me, guys. So I'm going to have a little clip for you guys in a second. But anyways, all right. I don't know what else to say. I'll see you guys later.